Hello everyone. Hello Jade Closey. Yes, now I am going to set up for the maths hack or trick. Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Unlocking Kainat. Tell me honestly, when you were in school, did the teacher ever say find the value of x and you thought, "Oh no, not again." Well, today I am going to show you a set of tricks that make these problems not only super easy but also really fun. We'll start with the basics and then move step by step into tricky, mind blowing problems. And there's the challenge. Stay with me till the end because the final find x problem is the one where before I do, ready? Let's dive in. Okay? Hi, Alisa Horan. Yes. Now I'm going to start with the part 1, which is very easy level. Okay, very easy level. Here, first part. Here now I'm going to start with part 1, which is easy level. Hi Dinda Dilla. Welcome back to Unlocking Kainat. Okay. Now we are going to solve first, which is a simple equation. Here the first equation is 3x plus 7 equals 16. Okay. So let's start super easy. We want to find the value of x. Normal method says subtract 7 from both the sides. Okay. So this is left hand side of the equal and this is right hand side of the equal. So simple way tells us about that minus subtract 7 from this side as well as this side. So this is 3x plus 7 minus 7 equals 16 minus 7. So it becomes this both are cancelled plus 7 minus 7. Okay, and the 16 minus 7 is 9 and this is 3x. Now 9x is here. This 9 comes down here in the division form because here 3 and x are with a multiplication form. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So the value of x is 3. Okay, this is a simple form and a school taught us like this. Okay, so now we are going to do a short form as well as of the same question. This is a 3x plus 7 and 16. Now I am going to show you a trick in to solve very easy way. But here's the shortcut way. Just take the number with x, whatever is x. Yeah, take the number with x. This is x, the number is with x. Okay, so and move everything else across the equal sign. Okay, this is the equal signs, so we have to keep it here only x and move everything from right hand side of the equal. So what we will do, 16, this plus 7 becomes minus 7 because it moves from the equal from right hand side, and this 3 is with the x in multiplication form, so it goes down in the division form. Okay, now we will solve it. 16 minus 7 is 9 and this 3 as it is, and if we will cancel it, the answer is 3. Okay, so done in one line. Did you get the faster than me? If yes, type yes in the comments right now. Then we will move to the next question. Right? Yes, if you understood and got the easiest way. Okay, these are the 4 to 5 line steps, and this is a trick how to solve. Keep the x here only and move everything on the right hand side of the equal. Okay, now the next example, the example 2. Okay, this is part 1, example 2. In this question, 3x plus 5 equals 2x plus 11. Okay, here two x's are present on the both the side of the equal. Two x are present on both the sides of equal, right? So how we will solve it? Now what if x is hiding on both the sides? If we will hide x from this side and this side, then what will happen? Here's the trick. Bring all the x terms together and numbers to the other sides. Okay, easy way. We will get this x and this x on the one side of left hand side of the equal, and this 5 and this 11 on right hand side of the equal. Okay, so 3x as it is we will write here. 2x, the value of 2x is plus, it comes left hand side becomes minus. Okay, then 11 as it is we will write because it is right hand side of the equal, then it will goes here, so it becomes minus, this sign becomes minus 5. Okay, now first we will solve this and then we will solve this. 3x minus 2x becomes 1x. If 1x is there, we cannot write 1, it becomes x only. Okay, and 11 minus 5, 11 minus 5 is 6. So the answer is, the value of x is 6. Okay, so super quick, right? Super quick form of maths. Students make the mistakes of moving the wrong signs. So remember, when you cross the equal signs, the signs changes. Okay, pause the video, take a 5-second, try to solving it yourself before checking my answer. Did you get 6 or not? Comment below if you did. Okay, if you got the 6, write down in the comment yes. Now this is a easy level. This one is the easy level, which is a part 1. Now I am moving on part 2. Okay, which is medium level, to find out the value of x. Okay, so in this, the question number 1 is in the fraction form, 2 upon x plus 3 equals 7. Okay, now this one looks scary, but relax. Here's the trick. If you like the video, please hit the like button as well as subscribe my channel. I am uploading regularly 2 shorts videos at 10 a.m. in the morning and at 7 p.m. in the evening. Okay, so you can get all the updates of my channel, as well as I am going to come live every day at this same time, 7 o'clock. If you want to continue with my sessions, so please subscribe my channel, share the link of my videos with your friends and like my video as well. Okay, and please comment if you understand the questions. If you got the easy trick, please like the video or comment in the video. Okay, now the step 1. Here what we will do, first step, move 3 to the other side. Okay, 3 is here in the plus form. So first step, 2 upon x, we will keep it here. Always remember, write equal in one line. Okay, keep the other number here. It is in the plus sign, so it becomes minus because it is moving from left hand side to right hand side. So remember the signs, and this 3 comes here. Now 7 minus 3 is become 4. The answer is 4. As it is, we will write 2 upon x. Now after this, what we will do, After this, we can do a cross multiplication. Have you heard about cross multiplication? Have you heard? Please type yes if you heard cross multiplication or you know about the cross multiplication. Yes, type yes in the comment. Type yes in the comment. Okay, so cross multiplication means denominator of the left hand side goes right hand side and the denominator of right hand side goes to the left hand side. Here nothing is there. Nothing is there. It means here nothing is there. It means 1 is present there. Okay, what is present? 1. Right? 1 is present there. So then x will goes here and 1 will comes here. So 2 multiplied by 1. Why? Because it is in the form of division. So it becomes a multiplication form. Then equal, near to the equal. Okay. Then 4 multiplied by this x goes here, 4x. Or we can write 4x directly and 2 ones are 2. Right? Now we have to find out the value of this x. So how we can find out this? So I'm going to solve it here near only. Okay, like this 2 equals 4x, right? So x we will write at, what we will do, we will keep x here only, right? 2 as it is. This 4 goes to the in the upon form, so it becomes like this. So x equals 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. It becomes 1 upon 2. So therefore the value of x is 1 upon 2 or half. Okay, this one is a medium level, right? So C, no need to panic. When x is in the denominator, just shift, crossed, multiply and solve. What you have to remember it, if the value of x is in the denominator, what you have to do, you have to shift everything to the other side and cross multiplication you have to do. So the denominator is present, x is present in the denominator, do multiplication form. Okay, this is the trick what we have to do. So you have to remember. Now I'm going to solve the next question. Okay, on the next page, next question. So the first one is the first example 4. Okay, I'm going to solve example 4, which is a square root equation. Okay, now we have to find the value of x. What we have to find out the value of x in what? In square root form. Okay, square root form. Here the next question is based on the square root form. In this square root form, the value of x we have to find out. Now the question is, yes, if you want, you can take out the notebook and pen and you can write all the question answers, as well as this live session I will upload on my YouTube channel. So you can subscribe my channel, like my videos, and you can watch later also. But if you want, you can now understand and as well as take out the pencil and pen on book. Okay, so the question is, what is the example 4? In example 4, question number 1 is square root of x plus 5 equals 7. Okay, now x is trapped under a square root. Okay, this x is trapped under the square root. So the step 1, in this step 1, square both the sides. Okay, how we will remove the square root? Do you know how we will remove the square root? Yes, if we want to remove this square root, we have to multiply both the side with the squares. So the rule is, if you found a square root, rule is, if you find a square root. Find square root on x. What you will do? Multiply both the sides with square. Okay, how? I can show you. This is square root x plus 5. Okay, now what we will do? Multiply both the side with the square equals and 7 square. Okay, now what? Now what? This square is cancelled with this square root. Okay, now this become open. This become open now. X plus 5 and equal, near to the equal, it shows a neat clean work. Okay, remember, always put equal near to the equal. Okay, then what is the square root of 7, which is 49, right? So x plus 5 equals 49. Yes. Okay, now what we will do? We have to find out the, what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of x. So what we will do? What we will do? We will subtract. Now step 2, subtract by 5 both the sides. Okay, or what we can do, we can just take it this plus 5 to the minus 5. Okay, so x plus, oh sorry, x equals 49 and this 5's, what we have written, subtract by 5. So okay, we can take it x plus 5 and minus 5, and here also minus 5. So these two cancel. X is as it is, and 49 minus 5 is become 44. This is one type, we can say, or we can also write, after this step I can show you, x plus 5 equals 49. Okay, so this 49, x as it is here we will write down, and this 5 come this side and it will change the sign, minus 5, it become minus 5. Okay, so 49 minus 5 is 44. So we get this. So there are two steps to solve the same questions. Okay, to solve the same question. Now example 5. This is one type again. Now I am going to show you the next sum, how to solve the X form questions. But before that, common mistakes are there. Some people forget that squaring both the sides and remove the root completely, right? In this sum, okay, I can also show you a different form of this sum, right? How? See, this is a square root, right? X plus 5 equals 7. If we want to remove this square root, it goes here to here, it become 7 square, and x plus 5 become free. Okay, so 49, and this goes this side with the sign minus 5 and x, so therefore the value of x is 44. Understood this question? Yeah. Before moving, hit the like button, hit the like button so I can understand you love. Yeah, hit the like button so I understand you like it, and I move further. Then I move further. Okay, hit the like button. Please subscribe my channel for support. Yes. Okay, now the question number, next question, which is a question example number 5. Yes, one more question is there. Denominators on both these sides. Yes, example 5 contains denominators on both sides. Okay, so I'm going to solve a question. Yeah, look at here. Everyone give attention please. X plus 1. Okay, upon 2. Yes, denominator is 2. Numerator is x plus 1 and denominator is 2. Then x minus 3 in the numerator and denominator is 4. Yes, yes, what I told you, this one is everyone's nightmare. This one is everyone's nightmare. But watch this, just cross multiplication directly. As I told you, if you have C, yes, in this paper, yes, before in the part 2, what we have seen that if the denominator is given or the value of x is given in the equation and a denominator is given, what we will do, we will do a cross multiplication, right? Now here also we will do the same. We will do cross multiplication. Very easy sum, don't scare. Okay, very easy sum. Now how we will solve it? This 4 comes this side and this 2 comes this side. Now it becomes 4x plus 1. Do neat and clean work. So write equal near to the equal. In the one line you have to write equal. Then this 2 comes here, 2x minus 3. Okay, then we will again put equal. Now what we will do, we will expand. In next step we will expand. What we will do, we will expand. 4x, this is multiplication. What is the bracket? The means of bracket means multiplication. Okay, so 4x are 4x. Okay, because 1 is here with the x, so 4 ones are 4 and x we will as it is write down. Then plus this to this, 4 ones are 4. Okay, then again first we will multiply this and then we will multiply with this. So here 1 is there, so 2 ones are 2 and x as it is write down. Then sign as it is we will write minus, and 2 3s are 6. Okay, now this becomes a free equation. Now we will going to solve it. First what we will do, first we will open the bracket and remove the denominators of both these sides. Then we will do and then we will solve. Okay, now I'm going to solve here only so you can understand easily. Yes, this equation, what we will do, as I told you before and as I show you before that first we will take x value one side of the equal and the numbers one side of the equal. Okay, so what we will write, 4x, this is a plus 2x, so it becomes, if it goes here it becomes minus, so minus 2x. Then this is minus 6, this minus 6 we will write as it is here, and this plus 4 become minus 4 if it goes here, so this become minus 4. Okay, understood till here? If you understood till here, yes, say yes in the comment. Please say yes in the comment so I can understand what you have learned about it. You have learned or not? Okay, yeah, now we will solve it. First what we will do, first we will solve this and then we will solve this. So this 4 and this 2, minus is there, 4 minus 2 is 2x. Okay, what is the sign of 4? 4 sign is multiply and 2 sign is minus. So bigger one sign we will take in the answer. So the bigger one is 4, so positive sign as it is we will take it. Then okay, now this is 6 with the minus and this is 4 with the minus. Minus 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 is equal to plus. Okay, so sign become plus. How we will solve it? Minus 6 minus 4, 6 plus 4, 10. Okay, what is the sign of bigger one? Bigger one is 6, sign is minus, so we will write minus as it is. Okay, now what we will do, next step is this 2 goes here, it is in the multiplication form, so it goes down in the division form, so minus 10 as it is write down, and then put this in the division form. Remaining x write as it is here. Okay, so now what we will do, we will cancel it. How to cancel? Yes, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Now the answer is 5, but it has a sign which is minus, so x equals minus 5. Therefore the value of x is minus 5. Yeah, understood till here? Okay, so if you like it, please subscribe my channel. Want me to explain more question and answers, so you can hit the like button. Okay, so here we will solve it in the very easy form. Right now the part 3 is a tricky level. Part 3 is tricky level. Here on first part, yes, on first part it's a easy level, then part 2 is a medium level, then part these are the medium level examples. Okay, now I'm going to share with you that now I'm going to share part 3. Yes, part 3, which is very tricky. Part 3, tricky level. It is called a tricky level. Yes, so the question is x square plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Okay, now it's time for quadratics, the one that terrifies most students. Okay, this is students not understood easily. This equation here, x square is there, x also x is there, x square is there, so how can solve them? Okay, so the method 1 is, first we will use the first method, which is factorization. What is the meaning of factorization? Comment if you know what is factorization. Factor, comment if you know factorization. Comment down, comment below what is factorization. Factorization, no, don't know. Okay, I'll explain you what is factorization. Factorization means we will make a factor. Factor means break a number, break it. Okay, which number we have to break it? This one. Yes, 6. So we will write here 6, then break it in 2 parts. How many parts we have to break it? In 2 parts. How? That we will get the answer of this 5 in plus and minus form. Okay, so first we will take a small table that are 2 3s are 6, right? So if we will factorize this 6, answer will, we have to read a table to get the answer 6. Okay, so minimum we can take first from the lower table. This is a 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 3s are 6, so this comes, right? But if we will do plus minus, whatever we will do, we have to make an answer of this, which this. Okay, we will get this. So 3 plus 2 5. Okay, right? So what we will do, we will do plus sign both the sides. According to it, we will put plus sign both the sides, right? So it becomes 3 plus 2 is 5. Now we have to write down in the form of this. Here x is there, with 5 x is there, so we will also put the x on the both the side. Understood? So first we will elaborate it. X square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 equals 0. Right? Okay. Now what we will do? We will make a 2 number with x. So first we will take these 2 number and these 2 number. What we have to do? We will break it. Right? So in these 2, we have to take a common. How we will take? So here x 1x is there, and here 2x are there, 2x are there, here 1x are there, here nothing is there, which is 1, and here 2 is there. So first, in one table 2 are coming, so we will take 1 outside. Okay, and from these two x's, here 1x is there, so here x is also present and here is also present. So what we will do, we will take 1x outside, so 1x outside, this is 1. Now here only 1x is remaining, plus 1 2s are 2, 2 as it is. This x goes outside. What? Why? Because we have taken the common x. Now from this plus sign we will take 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, so we can take a 3. Okay, so 3 1s are 3x plus 3 2s are 6. What we have to see, both the brackets should be same. Okay, so we can write it down at one time, and here this and this become make a one bracket, which is x plus 3. Okay, so this is a simplification form of this. Now what the answer of 3? First we will write down this 0 is for this bracket also and this bracket also, right? So x plus 2 equals 0, or x plus 3 equals 0, right? Now we have to find out the value of x as it is. X equal, it goes here, it becomes minus 2, or x equals plus 3 goes here, it becomes minus 3. Okay, so these are the values of x. Okay, okay, so till here we have done tricky level method 1. Okay, now after that a method 2, tricky level method 2. Method 2, which is quadratic formula. Okay, now the number said formula, so in this we have to use formula. Okay, so for this what we have to do, follow the rule. In this, follow the rule. Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, and this formula, as well as x equals minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, understood? Yes. Now here a equals 1, b equals 5, and c equals 6. How we are following the same question. So the question is x square plus 5x plus 6 plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So here what is a? This is a, this one is b, and this one is c. Okay, from here we have to take numbers only. Okay, what we have to take numbers. Here nothing is there, means 1 is there, so a is 1, b is 5, and c is 6. Okay, so as it is, if we are taking this formula, so the answer become this. Here what we will do, discriminant. Here discriminant are there, which becomes minus b 5 plus minus under root 5 square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so a means 1. What we will do, we will fill all these value in this formula. What we will do, fill all these values in the formula and get the answer x equals minus 2 or minus 3. Same result we will get. Okay, I am not solving here because same answer we are going to get. You can solve and understand how to solve this question. Okay, you can solve. If you want, I can fill the values here. X as it is I am going to write. Okay, value, you will get these two answers. I am going to take this formula here. Minus b means minus 5, plus minus square root of b square is 5 square, minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 6. Okay, now upon 2 into a, the value of a is 1. What we have to do, we have to just put all the values and solve. Minus 5 as it is, plus minus 5 square is 25, minus 6 4s are 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Okay, then what we will do, this is 2, right? Okay, so first what we will do, 25 minus 24 is become 1. So we will get the answer minus 5 plus minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Okay. This is, then what we will do, we will do it here only. Minus 5, first we will take this sign with this. So minus 5 plus 1 is minus plus minus. Minus 5 plus 1, x equals minus 5 plus 1 upon 2, or minus 5 minus 5 minus 1 upon 2. How to solve plus minus minus? Minus 4 upon 2, or minus minus plus, which is 6. Bigger sign minus upon 2. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are, so this sign comes with this. So minus 2 or minus 3 is the value of this. So with the formula we can solve, with the formula also, and we can solve directly with this. Understood? Okay, now the example 7. I am going to solve the example 7. This one is the example 7, which is a puzzle style. Okay, example 7, puzzle style. Right, now if 2x plus 5 equals 15, then find x plus 2 the whole square. Okay, here something is given there and ask with this. So now don't rush to find x first. Let's do it smartly. How we will do? Let's first, what we will do, we will not find out the value of x, then we will put it in this and then form. No. Yes, what we will do, we will use a puzzle style. First we will write down 2x plus 5 equals 15. Okay, 15, then it gives 2x equals 10 and give the value of x is 5 in one line. Now what we will do, we can solve this x plus 2 the whole square, then equals, the value of x is 5. So 5 plus 2 the whole square equals 5 plus 2, 7 square equals 49. Okay, so this is your answer. But here's the trick. Sometimes you can directly manipulate, okay, the equation without solving x fully. These kinds of problems save time in exams. This for the competitive exam you can use it, right? Then example 8. Now we are going to solve example 8. this word problem. Now here word problem are there. A pen costs $10, more than a pencil. Together, they cost rupees 40. Find the cost of the pen. Okay, here question is given. A pen cost a pen. So first what we will do, first we will underline pen, pen. Okay, pen cost is $10 always. Then more than a pencil, more than a pencil together. The cost means more than. Pen and cost is 40 together. What is the cost? 40. Find the cost of pen. Now what we have to find out? Cost of pen we have to find out. Let's call pencil. Now what we will do? Let's call equals x. So pen become what? Pen is rupees 10, then a pencil, this more than, more, the word more, if the word more is given in the question, it means it's a positive sign will use. Okay, what sign will use? Positive sign will be used. Okay, so pen cost is x plus 10. Okay, so now pencil plus pen equals 40. So the x plus 10, we will put the values 40. Now here multiply x and x, multiply 2x plus, okay, 2x here plus, and this is 10 as it is we will write, and 40. So 40 minus 10 equals 30, and 2x as it is we will write here 2x, then 30 upon 2x, 2 ones are 2, 15. So the value of x is 15. So pencil is rupee 15, pen is remaining 40 minus, yes. Now how we will do? Pen value, pen equals 40 minus 15 means 25. Okay, so the pen value is rupees 25. Maths becomes interesting when you cannot when you connect it with daily life. Maths becomes interesting when you connect it with daily life. Okay, so if you like it, just press the button like and subscribe my channel for daily live sessions. Okay, now last part, part 4, final challenge. Okay, final challenge, the ultimate problem. Now I'm going to solve it on the next page. I'm taking out a next page. Yes, this is a final part, which is part 4, final challenge. Last part, okay, of the values of x. How to find out a different types of x questions. Easy, right? Now, this ultimate problem example, x upon 2 plus x minus 3 upon 3 equals 5. Now, alright, here comes the final challenge. Don't run away. Here, step 1 we will take the LCM of denominator 2 and 3. Okay, this what we will do, 2 and 3 LCM of the denominator, multiply the entire equation by 6, so we will get the same. We cannot make it 2 and we cannot make it 3, so what we will do, we will multiply both the equations. Here I am using another pen. Yes, I am using another pen. This full equation we will multiply with this 3. Why? Because plus is sign is there. Plus or minus sign is there. So first we will, what we will do, we will make a LCM of denominator and make it same. And here 2 is, so 2 multiply with the 2. Multiply with the 2. Okay. What we will do, we will multiply with the 2. Okay, and here nothing is there, means here 1 is there, so we are making this denominator is a 6, so also we can make it 6. So what we will do, we will multiply this with 6 directly, so both the side we will multiply, so this become 3x upon, we can make it only 6. Okay, plus this become 2x minus 3 to the 6 equals 5 6 are 30, and this is 6. Now this with cancel with this, because equal is there. If the equal is in between, we can cancel both the sides of same numbers, right? Okay, then what we will do, what we will get, a equation which is 3x plus 2x minus 6 equals 30. Now here what we will do, expand. Okay, here this first we will solve this. This becomes 5x, right? Okay, minus x it is 30. Then this minus x will goes here, it becomes plus 6. 5x equals 36, right? X as it is, right? This comes down. Okay, 5. So therefore we can cancel it and get the answer 7.2. Okay, if we will cancel this term, we will get the answer. This is your answer, right? Now tell me honestly, did you solve it before me? If yes, you deserve a like. And a subscribe right now. Okay, so today we started from the easiest find x questions and went all the way to tricky quadratic and fractional puzzles. Okay, so which one confused you the most? Comment below and I'll reply with hints. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And share it with your friends, because next time on Unlocking Kainat, I'll bring even crazier x problem with logarithms and exponents that will truly test your skills. See? Okay, now bye, see you, bye, and see you in the next video.